Hello and welcome to this FAQ video on grading in class. A frequently asked question is, what is my grade? To understand your grade, we will go to your grade book in your class. I'm looking at the grade book in Philosophy 240-801, Fall 2020. In the gradebook, you'll see several categories, including pre- and post-test quiz, quiz 1, reflection papers, final quiz, forum discussions, and total. Let me go to one of these categories to begin. In reflection papers, you see 5 papers listed as activities you will complete. This category is totaling 20, and that means for all 5 papers, they are going to amount to 20% of your final grade. If you omit one, then that counts as 0 of the 5 toward 20% of your grade. So what does that mean? 5 papers, 20%, 4% each one completed could add 4%, each one omitted could take away 4% from the course total. Remember, each category represents activities you will complete. All of the discussions together will amount to 25% of your total grade. Now let's look at that total. The total for the class is 100%. That 100% is the weighted mean of grades on the very last day of class after all calculations. That means it is your grade as of December 12. Well, what's my grade today? If I'm asking on November 1, it's whatever you have completed. If you've completed 70% of the class, it's 70. Your course total is always showing the total you accumulate. So remember, the course total thinks the last day of class has come, and your total is what you have. I hope this helps you understand your grades for the class. Have a great day.